Well, y'all, it is a late July Saturday morning. It is 6:30 a.m. and I am headed out to do some yard selling. I know that there are two like church rummage sales, and there's at least one yard sale in my local town, so I'm not going far today. I didn't go far last weekend either. Hoping I can stay close to home, save a little money on gas, and find some good stuff. So let's see what we find, y'all. Good morning. Good morning. I didn't know if I was too early or not.
No, we're here.
It smells like it's time to eat.
It is.
I don't know what kind of pricing system we got here today.
You make a donation.
Okay. Okay. All right. I'm gonna tell you what, I don't know how I managed not to tear that all to pieces right there.
And this is not if you break it.
Woo. Woo.
It's all right.
That's the dish you don't buy in the store now.
I don't think I broke it. But I broke that one. Dog. I guess I own that one. Awesome. I need one of these. Nice. On a motor. Wow. Never heard of that. That's funny. What? That's crazy. Well, y'all, I think we picked up some good items right there from that sale. I paid up a little bit because I knew that Corningware piece was worth a little bit of money, and that Troy built thing y'all saw me pick up. I've never found one of those brand new and sealed, but that's like a little electric starter, so you don't have to pull your weed eater or gas trimmer to get it started. And I don't know, the couple of comps I saw looked like I might be able to get between $40 and $50 for that thing. So I didn't mind giving them 20 bucks. Some of those Linux ornaments might be worth a little bit of money too. So let's move on to the next one. All right, y'all. See what we can find up in here. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Well,
Can you see the back? You look at it.
right.
I'll come. It's locked. Good morning, sir. How you doing?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Doing well. Doing well.
You gonna put a movie on for us?
I'm gonna try to do something. Everything while you shop. Understand? 29. Oh, my birthday. You had that for free, sir, if you want.
What, the Nerf gun? That's an interesting one there.
They keep noise too, don't it?
Yeah. I knew nothing about that little thing right there.
I don't know that about it.
But I know some youngin' will probably love it.
Yeah. Take what you want. Hey, guys, how you doing? Where you going this morning? I got to go make a run.
Well, yo, I'm looking through comps on this thing. It's a Nerf Strife N-Strike Elite with a humongous magazine I know nothing about, but she gave it to me for free, and I'm thinking it could be worth around $30, but I don't know. All right, y'all, last yard sale that I know of today, but there may be more. We'll see what we can find. You know if this Scrabble game still works?
Watch this. It's free.
No, God knows.
I can't take it. Yeah.
It works then. Wow. You want stuff gone bad.
Got something on to smell good, don't you? Just deodorant.
Well, at least you got that. A lot of folks ain't wearing that.
Looks like a speaker too. You know she wanted to come. She kept trying to get me to come. I don't know if it worked.
Yeah.
So,
I don't even know if I've ever heard the Wiggles. I don't even know who that is.
come up.
Do y'all know how much for these little sandals, flip-flops right here?
I think they're $1.
Okay. All right. All right, you gonna tell me what I got over here?
One thing got it.
Yeah,
Shirts
I got a shirt, 2 tapes, a Scrabble game, water pick, 2 pairs of flip flops, and that. What daggone? Everything's just $1.
That means I ain't taking most of it out.
I understand.
Yeah.
I understand.
I go to y'all sell people overpriced stuff.
This is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is not how you park at yard sales, y'all. You don't block people's driveway. They might have family trying to come in or out. You park beside the road. It's yard sale etiquette 101. I'm gonna check Facebook Marketplace for any more sales, and if not, if I don't find any more, thank y'all for being here. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel, share it with your friends so we can get the subscriber count up here. Thank y'all. Yeah, I was gonna say, is the cord in there?
Yeah, you plug it in.
Yeah. Yep.
Problem is we have too many horses. Enough for morning.
Yeah. Yep. What do you want for that?
Hey, Barbara.
Yes.
What do you want for that bucket right here?
You know, I don't even know what that thing's worth.
I don't either.
I'll make it off.
$20 too much?
You want me to look it up on my phone?
Yeah, look it up on your phone. Make sure the thing's in the bottom though.
Yeah,
It
the
is?
cord's in there.
Okay.
I can see it right there.
All right, Google it real quick.
Yeah, I don't think the cord on these detaches. I think it's made into it.
Oh,
But
okay.
yeah,
Pop the bottom out.
yep. The bottom is what you would normally be missing.
Did you know that there's a message on the back of this one piece of furniture?
What does it say? Buy me?
No, it says, Lonnie, this belongs to you. You are the one to refinish it. If you don't want it, give it to Kenneth.
Wow. Wow.
Alrighty, well, thanks for coming by.
I think I'm done. Appreciate it. All right, y'all. So I found one more to add in here. Not really a whole lot. That was a lady that I ran into at the Dairy Queen yard sale last Saturday, and I didn't really find much out there, but I did pick up a 5-gallon heated water bucket. Those things do sell at Tractor Supply for like $45. Gave him $15 for it because I called my brother, who has a couple horses and he has quite a few dogs, and he said he wanted it for $15, and you know, it's in really good shape. I don't even know if the thing's been used, but so I think I'm going to end it here. I don't think I'm going to run across anything else, but we'll see. But thank y'all for being here, and like I said before, please consider liking the video, give it a thumbs up, you know, subscribe to the channel so you can see more videos like this, and you can see us back in the shed selling and shipping some of this stuff out.